Hello everybody. So today I picked up a Weber portable grill from a local store. I just wanted to go through quick unboxing of what's in the box and probably fire it up and just talk about it. So this is a Weber Q1000. This is the simplest portable model you can get. It does not even have the side trays. That's like $30 more, but I didn't get that model because I just don't see the need for it. So this Weber itself is made of porcelain and it's well built. Of course, Weber is known for its quality. So it has a push button igniter and it has a cast iron grill right there. So it's cast iron and it lasts a long time and it's easy to maintain and stuff. It has two lines of burners. It has a U-shaped burner right there. It has a dip pan at the bottom. It has a aluminium foil kind of a pan that you can collect the grease and throw it away, and you can always wash and reuse it. And this is the control for the propane. Now this model, this is a portable model. This takes a weird kind of a propane canister. It's not done. You cannot hook it up directly to your grilling cylinder, the LP cylinder, the Blue Rhino, whatever you get from stores. You need an adapter for it. Other than that, if you're traveling, you can always carry that canister that fits this model, so you don't have to lug around a big tank of propane. So let's see what's in the box. And there's no more packing materials. We just need to pull this out, and I'll show you once I set it on a table. Alright, so this is what it came with: the actual grill, the cover, the top cover, and some parts. This is the control knob, the handle, and some nuts to secure the handle, and some reading material, and comes with a quick startup guide on how to light it up. Now this model does not need a battery for the igniter. It's a push model, and you can see a spark. So I like the push model, so I don't have to maintain the battery. The problem is when you leave the battery for a long time, especially in an outdoor environment, the battery tends to leak and it goes bad. So that's another reason I prefer the simpler model. So I'm going to attach the handle, and this should be straightforward. It should just slide in. So as you can see, there's a pattern. This is the flat side, and that should align with the flat side here. So take the flat side, align it, and just push it inside, and that's it. So that's your control knob right there. Straightforward, simple. Just make sure it's pushed all the way in. Now we need to secure the lid. So these are the hinges, and I'm assuming it's going to be this with the cotter pin to secure it. So before that, I'm going to fix the handle so I can lift the lid easily. So all you need to do is grab the lid and align it with the hose and put the nut in. You probably need a Phillips head screwdriver to tighten it up. That's the only tool you need for this. Other than that, it's all tools free installation. So let me secure this and we'll install the lid on the grill. Now before installing the handle, make sure you have this bushings, and that's a handle extender, and it should fit right in the slots like that, and then you secure it to the lid. Do not secure it directly like that. You do need these bushings. Okay, so now the handle is secure. Well, there's a gap here, I need to fix that. Now we need to bolt on the hinges, and it's very simple. You just attach the pin, you have to align it, and then put the quarter pin at the end to secure it. It's difficult to do it with one hand, so I'm going to do it, put the camera down. Okay, so the lid is secure. So it was straightforward. You just push the pin inside, secure it with the quarter pin on both sides, and that's pretty much it. I also fixed the alignment on the handle. Everything looks good, and now the grill is ready to go. I just need to put on the cooking grate. Let me disassemble that and place it on top of it. Okay, so got the grate in place. Now before using it for the first time, make sure you wash it with soap. Nothing harsh, just some dishwashing soap or something like that. Clean out any factory oils and grits or whatever, and that's pretty much it. We just need to install the catch pan, this one, and that will be the end of the setup. So let me do that, and I'll show what the finished product is. Okay, so install the catch pan. All you need to do is slide it in on the rails. I don't know if you can see it here. It's right there. These are the rails that the catch pan sits on. So you take the pan and slide it in on those rails, and that's pretty much it. So when it's full or you need to clean it up, just pull it out, install a new pan, or clean it up and put it back, and that's pretty much it. Now these things, it says Weber, and it's just a plastic foil, and these are a little bit expensive because it's from the company directly. So what I would do is, after I'm done with this, I'll probably put an aluminum foil sheet on top of this and just use it that way. So I'm not going to spend additional money just for a tin foil like this, but that's just me, just my opinion. So that's it. And now I need to go get a gas canister, and we need to attach it here, and we can fire up the grill. Okay, so I attached a LPG cylinder. This is a normal cylinder you can get in any store. This is a 16.4 ounce cylinder, and it fits perfectly. Right now the knob is in off position. So now let's open it into high, and let's see if it fires up. Yep, it fired up. I don't know if you can see the flame. So both sides are firing up, perfect, and I can see the heat coming off, and that's the low position, and this is the highest. So this spark is the highest and lowest. So to switch it off, move it all the way to off, and the grill is off. So that's pretty much it. It's a very simple install, and obviously it's a Weber, it's well made. If you maintain it properly, make sure the holes don't get plugged with grease. In the burner, the tiny holes where the flame comes through, make sure it's not clogged up. Clean it every couple of uses or whatever. Keep the pan dry of grease. Do the normal maintenance, whatever you have to, and keep the grill clean until it obviously offer a lot of years of service. So that's a quick unboxing and setup of the Weber Q1000. I might upgrade to a bigger Weber, probably like with the bigger model sometime in the future. But for me, at this point in time, this is more than enough. I can fit probably 6 burgers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and chicken, drumsticks. It's plenty of cooking space here, so perfect for me. And it's so compact, you can obviously take it with you to your camping trips or whatnot. So it's a really good grill, and I like what I see so far. Alright, maybe I'll do some cooking later and do a video of that. Thank you guys.